Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Wednesday as the Federal Reserve raised the federal funds rate to a range of 2.25% to 2.5% as expected. Shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, transportation and tech hardware and equipment sectors, they all ended lower. The Federal Reserve raising the federal funds rate to a range of 2.25% to 2.5% as widely expected. However, Fed officials' median forecasts imply that there will be 2 more rate increases in 2019, down from 3 times estimated in September. Meanwhile, 2019 GDP growth forecast lowered to 2.3% from 2.5%, and inflation forecast cut to 1.9% from 2%. Chairman Jerome Powell adding that inflation remains below 2% target, which gives the FOMC room to be patient. All this while decliners ahead of advancers, 88% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Celanese will replace Express Scripts in the S&P 500, effective prior to the open of trading on December 24th. Walgreens Boots Alliance announcing first quarter adjusted EPS of $1.46 versus 85 cents a year ago. Net sales rising 9.9% to $33.79 billion. And Altria will pay $12.8 billion to acquire a 35% stake in e-cigarette maker Juul. The deal values Juul at roughly $38 billion. Turning overseas, Asian markets losing ground today. The Nikkei down 2.84%. The Hang Seng down 0.94%. China's CSI 300 down 0.77%. South Korea's Kospi down 0.9%. European markets sliding and U.S. futures call for a slightly positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Accenture first quarter EPS seen at $1.86 on sales of approximately $10.5 billion. Carnival fourth quarter EPS seen at 70 cents on sales of approximately $4.4 billion, while Conagra Foods second quarter EPS seen at 56 cents. Nike second quarter EPS seen at 46 cents on sales of approximately $9.2 billion. Now, on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the December Philadelphia Fed Business Outlook. We also have both initial and continuing jobless claims figures at the same time. Now, the S&P 500, that's under pressure. The Nasdaq sees its key resistance at 63.90. And speaking of the markets, the Dow Jones has 22,700 expected. That's also in focus as the relative strength index is mixed to bearish. Short positions below 23,440 are favored, with targets at 22,945 and 22,700 in extension.